I'm being very lazy today, so I'm just making tuna. So this is, I have some hot oil. I'm just gonna make sure you drain the tuna. You wash it several times. That way you remove the smell. It has like a very strong urine smell. But if you like the smell, that's fine. Go ahead and leave it like that. So right now I'm just adding some garlic and some green onions. This is going to be really delicious. It's going to taste really good. So I'm just going to make a sauce with it. So now I'm adding some green bell pepper and some onions. And this habanero pepper, and also some that was parsley. Like, I keep them in the freezer. That way they can last a lot longer. So here on this pot here, I'm making some rice and beans. It tastes really good. It also smells good too. So I'm adding some butter. Now guys, I just added the butter. As you can see, my iPad is loaded, so that's why I got cut off. So we're just gonna let this cook for like 10 minutes or so, and then we can add a little bit of water. It's gonna be really good. You have the garlic, the onions, green bell pepper. It smells really good already. And you have the butter in here, parsley. So it's not gonna taste like, cheap tuna from the can. It's gonna be really delicious. And if you have tomato paste, you can add some tomato paste. But I'm just gonna do it. I'm not gonna add tomato paste. Oh, I have some tomatoes in the fridge, so I'll add some tomatoes just to give it some color. So guys, my husband just got home from work and he smelled the tuna from outside. It smells so delicious. Right, Bev?
Yes, yes.
It smells good. Now guys, I'm going to add some thyme and some lime juice. Like I told you, this does not taste nothing like a tuna, like from the can. It tastes very fresh because, like I said, you have to remove all the preservative from the can, so you have to wash it like 3 to 4 times. And I'm squeezing some lime juice. It's really it smells really good. It tastes really good. It's almost ready now. I'll say another 5 minutes. Come on, Mama, don't touch this. Alright, let me see. Okay, so it's ready. And when my husband got here, he was so excited. He's like, oh my gosh, the house smells really good. And now guys, this is the final stage of the tuna. Tastes really good. This is so good. Oh, this is perfect. You guys got to try this. Definitely. See the onions, the garlic, it just brings so much freshness to it. And the tomatoes. And the rice is well cooked too. It's really good. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.